Hey guys, so today is shed cleanup day. Once a year, I try once a year. If I'm strong enough, then I do twice a year, but once a year, I do a general cleanup of my sheds. This is one where I keep my hardware, and here's another one where I keep my gardening tools and everything I need for planting my garden. So what I'm doing actually today is just cleaning up, organizing, make sure they smell good and just not smell musty. So in this shed, I'm actually keeping most of the hardware and other things that I need, like equipment that I need for grass cutting. I have my shovel, the rake, I have a ladder in here. Just about anything that I would need for yard work or doing barbecues. I have my fire starter here at the bottom. As you can see, I have charcoal that I also keep in here for barbecue. I don't have to go in the house to get anything. I have my leaf blower out here. So just about everything I would need to clean the yard work, landscaping and everything, I keep in here, and some paint work also. And I have my tool bags. In there I have a lot of things, all of the things that I use to do my DIY projects. I kept in here. So that's how I organize my shed. I keep my shed very organized. I keep it open from time to time so that it airs out. You don't want to keep it musty. Keep it musty, it's going to smell, it's going to look bad. And being the person that I am, organizing my shed is something that I love to do. And I will encourage you to do the same if you have a shed. Not only should you keep it organized, but open it from time to time, clean it up, and leave it open for a while so that it doesn't sit and get musty. So here's my other shed. I have two sheds. This is one, and here's the other one. So I keep this shed mostly for gardening tools, anything I need for gardening. Here's my water can, and I have flower pots that are not in use. I clean my flower pots and I put them away, the ones that I don't use. I keep them dry, and I have a separate shed just for my gardening tools. Everything I need for gardening is in here. Everything that I need for my gardening is in this shed. As you can see, it's a smaller shed, but I keep it really, really organized. And like the other one, I'm going to keep this open for most of the day so that it airs out, doesn't get musty and smell bad in there. So, yeah, also, I encourage you to keep your shed open, clean it up, organize your shed. A shed is a shed, but you need to keep it organized if you need to find the things you want to use. If your shed is not organized, you will run all over the place trying to find things. And guess what? You might end up buying things that you already have at home. It has happened to me a lot of times. So, organizing is the way to go. So, thank you for watching my tips on cleaning, organizing, and opening your shed. And I will be seeing you in my next video.